Okay, I want to say welcome again, welcome to another Blender video. I'm still working on buildings and different things, just basic setups and stuff. Yeah, sorry about like some of the videos where things are just cutting out, like it's got a limit, like a time limit on the recorder, so screen recorder, Bandicam, you know. Yeah, kind of wondering about certain things here. Like I need to give a quick check or something actually. If I go to object mode, if I go to texture paint mode actually, that's a surprise, huh? If I go to texture paint mode and then go add a texture first, right, a base color, so let's just add in a yellow whatever, that's there. Now I should be able to paint on there, right? So I'm going to bring in a texture. I'm going to go to textures, new, if that's the right way of doing it. I forgot if that's the right way of doing it or not now, but just bring in a texture. I've got this one here. Go down to, where is it? Go to the main thing up here. Go down to texture and then choose stencil instead of that. Okay, instead of move that across for a moment. Instead of tiled, I'm going to just hold. Hang on. Ah, uh-oh, I forgot how to do it now. Oh yeah, right click, that's it, sorry. So hold control and press right click to turn it. I'll do that for a moment, hold on. Oh, what happened there? I just lost the damn thing. Where's my texture, man? Need to reopen that texture now. But the same for zooming in and out, it's Alt, okay? Is it Alt? No, Shift, sorry. Holding Shift and then doing that. Okay, so I'm basically going to get it in the right alignment. Let's actually find our door. In fact, I'll go. Oh, that's great. I think how you can do that. You can actually do that with it in wireframe mode. That's incredible. So let's imagine I wanted to really scale or zoom it or whatever into the right thing about that size. Okay, I'm going to put the strength right up and I'm just going to paint over that. Is that right? I'll put it actually in rendered mode. I think that's painted it on. I'm not even too sure. Is that right? Come on, man. Is that right? Hold on. I'm not even sure, you know. I've got to look dev mode for a moment. Come on, what? No, man. Okay, still confused about this. So that's like right there. Okay, let's just. Okay, oh man. Put it in an angle, put it in the right position. So the image is right there, no bigger than. Okay, put it there. I'm going to paint over this biatch. Alright, then I'm going to move this biatch and go into the view. And there you have it. Okay, it's on there. Okay, that's how you do it. I was worried because I was worried that maybe the triangles would mess the damn thing up. But there you go. Okay, it proves that we can, with some patience, you know, going into layout mode now and rendered view and bringing the light across so we can see it a bit better. Hold on, move tool. Okay, it shows then that we are able to paint textures on, and that is a good way of doing things. So I could basically assign a material to the door first, like a wooden door or whatever it may be, and concrete brick walls, and then paste on whatever I want, like graffiti or, you know, or like like anything, like a window, you know, like this or something, you know, paint it on without actually having to do everything, you know, or like wooden, metal bars, whatever it might be, you know, just for some extra stuff. That's cool, you know, it's really good, isn't it, right? That is a very good thing. Okay, so now let's open up a new project. Okay, just open up. Well, I'm going to open the basic one, what I've got here, 3D urban setup for buildings with ruler, which I created. Okay, so we got that understanding now, which is very good. Plus the fact that I can do other things too, which I think I really should be taken advantage of, which is like using excuse me, extra things like painting stuff on and stuff like that. Well, you'll see what I mean as I go along, like for textures and stuff in sculpt mode. I've got various tools on here which I think are very good, such as fast carve and fast sculpt and things like that. Really good. I love the fast sculpt thing. I think it's great. It's a great tool, and I'm going to be using it a lot. But yeah, let's have a look. Okay. Excuse me. Yeah. So I'm going to go in here. I'm just going to have to do it. You know, I don't want to really, but I'm going to have to do like some different windows and different things. Like I'm just going to have to do something or other, because I'm just going to have to. I'm not going to make too many more. I'm going to make one big double door. That's what I'm going to do now. You've got to have some patience in you, because you know you're going to have to use this stuff. When it comes round to it, we're going to be using this stuff. You know, let's select the object first. That might help. And what we're going to use this loop cut going into here. This is my idea to create this ruler thing we're looking through here. You could use different custom shapes if you wanted to. The top of the door is going to be there, the step bits at the bottom there, and I'm going to make a double doors situation here. Okay, so we're going to have it like, hold on, about that and that. Okay, and we're going to go into the, we're going to go here. Hold on. I'm trying to get it about a bit better than that, angles wise, you know. So again, on a flat here, camera angle. I want to go right between those two, if I can. Okay, that looks about right, you know. That's roughly right? It don't matter too much. Now, okay, because we can't really see too well, I'm gonna move. Really see too well. We just can't really see too well. Can't really see this well. Just mucking around now. But if I was to go here, I could probably like select both faces. How much time we got? I need to stop the recording soon. It's not me, it's the time limit thing on this. You know, I think we need to go to extrude region for this. Push these in. Otherwise, it will give you an extra plane in the middle. If I just go to extrude individual, extrude region. Now, I think that's a little bit too far in. About like that, you know. About like that, you know. About that. What I want to do here is I want to try something. Okay, good. It's doing what I wanted it to do. Good. I don't know if that's because it was set to region or not. Let me just try something else. Because the region part's like for the individual is set to individual, so. Oh no, okay, it's got nothing to do with that. That's right, it's a separate tool. That's right, it should be. Good, so I want this. Okay, and now I'm gonna push them in. Does it? No, it gives an extra thing. See, so I need to set that back to region and push them in. Okay, I could have one door now slightly a little bit turned if I wish to, or something like a bit different. But I don't want to mess about too much. I'll do it, push it in a little bit like that. Because I just want it to be a bit of a difference, you know, when we see that. So I go to like object mode, for example, go back into rendered view, wait for it to load a bit, bring the light in to play, bring the go to that view there with the G, with the G couldn't do. Yeah, see, I want it to show up a bit. See, there's a little line there. You see, for that, otherwise it wouldn't show. It'd be like one thing unless I painted on it. You see, you know, like that. Okay, give yourself some time to think. Just that little bit there helps, you know. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to literally click away. I'm just going to only select the cube, and I'm going to export it as a model. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.